welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to round up share change with Acorns. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to round up spare change with Acorns, all you gotta do is simply go to your Acorns website. So once you're in the Acorns website or Acorns app itself, you need to get logged in into your account. So once you are logged in into your account, you can also get access to different features. Once this is done, you need to connect your primary checking account to your Acorns account, as this is where the money for the roundups will be transferred from. After this, you need to link your debit or credit card to your account and simply turn on the roundups feature. You need to log in Acorns, tap on Invest, and go to the Roundup settings. Once this is completed, you need to toggle the Set to Automatic option to On. You can find and manage your Roundups within your Invest account. You can also have the option to enable a multiplier, 2x, 3x, or 10x to invest a larger amount from each Roundup. So this is how you can simply round up spare change with Acorns. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.